Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a drawing compass properly. First, select a sturdy compass with a sharp pencil lead, ideally a 2mm lead for clear lines. Make sure your paper is flat and secured to your workspace to prevent movement. Then, carefully adjust the compass legs to set the exact radius for the circle you wish to draw. This initial setup is crucial for achieving precise results every single time. Now, let's draw. Gently place the compass's sharp point firmly at the exact center of where you want your circle. It's important to hold the compass only by its top knob or handle, not by the legs, to maintain stability. With a light, consistent touch, rotate the compass smoothly in one continuous motion. Apply even pressure to the pencil leg as you turn it, completing a full 360-degree rotation. To ensure your circles are perfect, avoid some common mistakes. Do not press too hard on the pencil leg. Excessive pressure can cause the compass point to slip or the paper to tear. It's vital to keep the compass's pivot point absolutely stationary throughout the entire rotation. If it shifts even a millimeter, your circle will be distorted. Practice drawing circles of various diameters, from 1 inch to 6 inches, to develop a steady hand and consistent technique. A drawing compass is more versatile than just drawing circles. You can use it to accurately divide a line into several equal segments, or to construct complex geometric shapes such as perfect hexagons and precise arcs. Remember to always keep your compass clean, wiping away any graphite dust. Regularly sharpen the pencil lead to a fine point for crisp, clear lines. Proper care ensures your compass remains a reliable tool for many years of creative projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.